My favorite, this, oh my god, I got wet. What's up mga Hinuwayan? For today's video, I've gathered awesome gifts. I've gathered affordable and useful gift ideas that will make you strong, beautiful, and resilient mothers smile for this Mother's Day. I have you to choose from beauty products to some technology to some self-care help books. I've even included a SNELL approved motorcycle helmet for those adventurous mothers. So without further ado, let's get started. The first product that I recommend is the Sand in Sky Australian pink clay mask. It is one of the top rated pink clay masks out there. It retails online for $49.99. It comes with a brush that can help with the application. So this pink clay mask draws out impurities. It helps tighten pores. It also boosts radiance. Next is Yours Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. Now this one I have with me comes in 14 count. This currently retails for $7.99. A lot of impurities and dirt get clogged up in our nose area, and that sometimes makes us feel a little self-conscious. Now with these strips, they are affordable. They actually can do the job for its price. These nose strips unclogs pores by removing dirt, oil, and blackheads. Next that I'm going to show you is a skincare set that I absolutely love, that I've been using for the past couple of years. Before that, I used to have a lot of black or dark spots all over my face. I used to have a lot more dark spots all over my forehead, in the sides of my face, especially the chin area. If you purchase these individually, it would actually cost you more. This skincare set currently retails for $39.99 at the Sephora online website. I have shown a dramatic difference in my skin complexion. This little bottle over here is a Truth Serum. This serum is known to help brighten the skin and prevent the signs of aging. Next is the Ole Henriksen Moisturizer. It also addresses the visible signs of aging. This smells really good. It comes also with the Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is for the under eye. Next, I have here Victoria's Secret's Bombshell Perfume. This currently retails online for $58. Perfumes are known to last a little longer. It smells young and sexy and feminine at the same time. It smells amazing. Going to jump into the technology stuff. I have the Instax Mini 9 instant camera from Fujifilm. This currently retails on Amazon for $52. I'm going to include the newest edition that they recently came out with. This is Instax Mini 11. This has auto adjust setting in which you don't need to adjust a dial, and so far indoors and outdoors I've been getting amazing shots with this Instax camera. This one I have here, the Mini 9, it does give you a dial where you can adjust the setting. Well, I love taking pictures with my child. I'm going to want memories where I can just hold on to and keep right for the rest of my life. Now this was taken, by the way, with the Mini 9 and indoors, and this was taken with the Mini 11 indoors as well. If you want to step it up further, you can give her this 1-step 2 instant camera from the company Polaroid for the bigger shots like these. The outcome kind of gives you like a more vintage effect. Now maybe if your mothers are picture or photographs enthusiasts and may be able to appreciate this, then this might be the one for her. If your mothers are into PC or gaming, I recommend this Razer Huntsman keyboard. This has a mechanical keyboard that's very comfortable for those gaming and for those daily work or office duties. This Huntsman keyboard currently retails right now on Razer website for $99.99, down for $150. Next, I have this pink gaming mouse in quartz pink edition. Razer's Atheres Bluetooth mouse. This comes with 7,200 DPI, which is the depth of its accuracy. It has up to 300 hours of usage. This Bluetooth mouse currently retails for $49.99. Is your mother a traveler? Would she be interested in taking aerial or video photography? The DJI's Mavic Mini drone. This drone is perfect for beginners. It comes with a simplified DJI app. It comes with these remote controllers that is compatible with any recent smartphone, and with this I've been able to take amazing shots. So the Mavic Mini comes with certain flight modes that you can just choose from. You can do like a helix or like just shoot it upwards. This currently retails right now for $3.99 for the basic package. Alexa, what is the weather for today?
It's 60 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies.
That one right there was the Amazon Echo Dot. This Amazon Echo speaker retails right now $39.99. Now what I like about this speaker, you are able to do voice commands, whether you want to search up like cooking recipes or even like listen to your favorite music with the Amazon music subscription. Last but not the least, on the technology department, I have here with me this waterproof speaker. This Wonderboom speaker currently retails for $59.99. This delivers crisp sound. It also has a nice strong bass that would be perfect for those traveling or maybe even just the poolside. Now that I've wrapped up the technology department, I'm going to dive into self-help books and journals. Boom! You Are a Bad #1 New York Times bestseller, over 2 million copies sold. This is a self-help book on how to stop doubting your greatness and start living an awesome life by Jen Sincero. This was written by a life coach that has stories, advices, and exercises that can help identify and change self-sabotaging behaviors that can get them to do what they want to achieve. And this retails for $8.99. Next, we have The Subtle Art of Not Giving a counterintuitive approach to living a good life by Mark Manson. This currently retails for $14.99. This is a self-help guidebook that shows the key to being stronger and happier, and we actually able to handle life's adversities instead of trying to be too positive all the time. Next, I have this beautiful journal. This one also retails for $14.99. I love this journal because on the front cover it says, "You got this." This is what the inside of the journal looks like, and if your mother is into journaling and if she likes to use profanity a lot, this would be the perfect journal for her. Live in Wonder is a journal of quests, quotes, and questions to jumpstart your journey. This journal has questions and advices inside of it that can help your mother really reflect on her experiences and all of her tribulations. Live in Wonder retails for $12.99. Last but not the least, if you wanted to give your mother a much more professional approach, the Dialective Behavior Therapy Skills Workbook. Dialective Behavior Therapy is a therapy that combine the emotional and the logic mind together to help them navigate through their day-to-day turbulences, perhaps some complex emotions. This workbook has practical DBT exercises for learning mindfulness. Mindfulness being to stay in the present. Interpersonal effectiveness, it is the effectiveness of your interpersonal relationships, whether that's personal, social. Emotional regulations are exercises that focuses on how you can change the outlook, usually have a lot of reframing. Lastly, distress tolerance are sets of exercises and or activities that she can do to stay presently healthy. Is your mother a thrill seeker, an adventurer, a lady rider? This Scorpion helmet might be the one for her. This Scorpion helmet, also known as EXO R420, this has an advanced polycarbonate shell that is SNELL approved, or this helmet can be used in the racetrack or just for casual cruising. This currently retails on Revzilla website for $149.99. It has a clear visor. This is in matte finish, but they also come in glossy black, white, and even titanium. If you like the Mother's Day gifts that I've prepared, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification on. Follow me as well on Instagram and Facebook to get notified on travel content, wellness videos, as well as mental health discussion. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Am I saying the right thing? You can either my favorite this